Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of your Discord stream getting paused or lagging or just completely disappearing. So actually I had this problem a long time ago, but I still have the solution and the fix for it. So just follow my steps and you'll be good. Now the first thing you have to do is go to user settings. Now once you are in the user settings, just scroll down a bit until you find voice and video here. And then by default will be in the voice section here. So you'll have to switch to video and then scroll down a bit until you find streaming. Now in the stream attenuation, you can either click on or off because there is a problem with the stream attenuation of Discord where it can make your stream lag. So I don't know why this happens, but just uncheck it and try and see if your stream is still lagging or not. Another thing you can do is to disable the video hardware acceleration. So you can disable it and then enable it again as you wish. And for the OpenH264 video codec, you can also disable it and enable it again and see if your stream is still lagging or is still having the issue of being paused. So that's it. That was a quick fix that you can try at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.